On our Retail Express system, we've got a really handy tool, which is our comments box located down the bottom here next to the sales number. I have entered something in previously. I'll just click on here. Now it'll say in the private comments box, this is anything that you need to tell me specifically about the order, about the customer. I've written here example. Example number 1, Catherine, this lady would like more info on becoming a consultant. Or, Catherine, this lady requires an extra week extension on her order, but she has paid the $11 freight to have the order sent direct to her after she deposits to the account. Or, another example is, this lady will be calling the shop as she would like to add to her order. Okay, so anything that you need to tell me, the customer can't see this. This is the private comments box. Only I can see it up here at head office. In the public comments box down the bottom here, here's an example that you can actually write a little note to the customer when you're sending the invoice to them. Thanks for your order. It was lovely to meet you. Please note your payment is due by the 28th of July. If there is anything I can help you with in the future, please let me know. You can pop your phone number in the bottom of there. So yes, anything in the private box will be seen by head office only. Anything in the public comments box, this is what your customer will actually see when their invoice is emailed to them. And then you just click on Save Order Comments, and it will save it. It will save it in there. Okay, so yeah, as I said, it is a really, really handy tool to use. Yeah, you can put your own little messages in the public section, whatever it is that you want your customers to see. So yes, I say take advantage of this great tool. It's fantastic.